President Hifikepunye Pohamba says late OvaHerero Paramount Chief Kuaima Riruako's efforts for repatriation for victims of the 1904-1908 genocide should continue despite his passing on. The head of state made the statement when he paid his respects to the late Riruako at the Commando Hall in the Katutura residential area, where hundreds of mourners have gathered to pay tribute to the chief.
If Riruako, as a member of parliament, has played a significant role that could be seen by everybody in the TV, the most important, significant he did to me is when he moved the motion in Parliament talking about genocide and the reparation.
Former politician and founder of the DTA of Namibia, Hendricks, who also attended the event with his son, Republican Party President Hendricks, said he remembers how they struggled together for peace in the country.
I can always remember how we all struggled together for a peaceful solution. You know, Chief Riruako and Kuaima was never in favor of war. They wanted peace. And very often people who stand for peace are considered to be cowards, but that's not true. You stand for peace, you're a hero. You're a soldier for peace. And that is what he was, as was his predecessors. I will remember.
Pohamba was amongst others accompanied by First Lady Penihupifo Pohamba and Prime Minister Hage Geingob. Also present were Speaker of the National Assembly Theoben Gurirap and his wife Joan Guriras, as well as Justice Minister Utoni Nuyoma. The chief will be mourned for 3 weeks or possibly longer before the actual funeral takes place. He will then be laid to rest at Okahanja. Riruako was the 7th Paramount Chief of the OvaHerero.